Yo, what's going on, you guys? It is Vape Tech Unboxed, and I'm back once again with another video. Like I said, we have so many videos to get through and so many cases for so many devices to get through, so we're gonna move it along. I'm not gonna waste any more of your time, but today we're gonna be taking a look at the Tudia cases for the Galaxy S9 Plus, and bam, there they are. Now we've got the Tudia Merge, and we've got the Tudia, what other ones? Arch S. So we got the Tudia Merge and we also got the Tudia Arch S cases. But before we check these out, I have to say I hope you're all having a fantastic day or night wherever you are. And I love you guys, but you already know that. Now let's jump into the video. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and join the fam. We have so many case content and so many accessory content and tech content. We have a lot of content on the channel, so if you guys enjoy me and enjoy the videos I make, consider hitting that subscribe button and also hitting that like button because it does help me out a ton. Anyways, a big shout out to Tudia for sending these out and supporting the channel so that way we could take a look at them and you guys can see them for yourself. Here we go. So the Tudia Merge and the Tudia Arch series. Let's take a look at that. Now the Tudia Merge, which is this one right here, is going to run you $4.99. You guys, these ones are budget cases, but they are so good. I have them for all my devices and I use them a lot because they are really good cases. So if you don't want to spend an arm and a leg, these are going to be the cases for you. Now this one is the Tudia Arch S, and that one is going to run you $7.95. So again, both of these cases are under 10 bucks, under $10. You can't go wrong with it. Now let's see. This one's a Tudia Arch S, and they sent a little paper with it, so let's take a look at it. The Arch S case is made out of a high quality TPU, offering a soft touch feel on a durable flexi shell cover that will give the Galaxy S9 the kind of grip and protection it deserves. So we've got anti-slip, raised edges, and shock gap. Okay, we've got clicky buttons and finger rest. All right. Pause that if you guys want to check that out for yourself, but let's jump into the Arch S series. Now, Tudia has the same packaging with all their cases, and let's break into it. Was there anything in the back? No, nothing on the back. Nothing else in the case. We're just gonna get that out of here. Now this is what it looks like. It's all blacked out. I really do enjoy all blacked out matte cases like this. Has a nice matte feel to it. It's really clean, really simple. I like how clean it is. Like there's no like fancy company branding smothering the back of it. Really no anything. The company branding is really small here at the bottom. You probably can't even see that. You do get grips along the sides. That is gonna help with your grip, and you do have a little bit of texture here that will help with grip. Let's throw it on the phone real quick so that way you guys can get a better look at it. So it slides on the phone pretty easy. You do get a little bit of wiggle room, but not much. It should stay on your phone if you go through a little small drop. That should be all right. But this is what it looks like on the phone. Not too bad at all. I think it looks really nice, really clean and sleek. Now if you flip it over to the front screen side, you do get raised bezels. That's going to protect your screen in case of a small drop, or if you just like to place your phone down on the table side. Your phone shouldn't slip and slide all over the table. You should be good, and you shouldn't scratch up your screen. And you do get a bezel around your camera and fingerprint sensor and flash. That's going to protect everything in case of a backdrop, or if you like to keep your phone, you know, faced up. Everything on the bottom looks very accurate. You got your 3.5mm headphone jack, your USB-C in, and your speaker mic, all that good stuff. Now this one is extra thin. So you can see it's very thin. This will slide in and out of your pockets just fine. The grip on it feels really nice. The back is a little slippery, a little slick, but the sides do have grip. When you're holding it in hand, it does feel like you have a nice strong grip to it, which is really good. Now buttons are very clicky, very responsive buttons, and that goes for all buttons. Very clicky, very responsive. That's pretty much it. Nice, simple case for a really good price. Now that's the Arch S. Let's take a look at the Merge. Now the Merge is built with a dual layer design fusing a premium quality polycarbonate outer shell with an enhanced TPU inner case. The Merge case incorporates the best of both worlds, offering a slim, lightweight, and form-fitted protection with the TPU and certified military drop-tested hard outer shell with the polycarbonate outer layer. All right, here we go. We've got finger rest, we've got clicky buttons, anti-slip, raised edge, and shock gap. All right, move that to the side. Let's get it out of the bag. Just pull up the phone, leave that in there. Nothing else in the case, so we're gonna get that out of here. Okay, this is what your case looks like. Now you do get a little bit of texture on the inside of this case. That's gonna help with some shock absorption. It does say Tudia Merge on the inside there. You do have Tudia company branding on the outside harder shell. And this one is a little tighter fitting. As you can see, there's no wiggle room. So this one does fit the phone a lot tighter than this one. This one is just a soft TPU case, you know, something simple, something that's not gonna be too much bulkiness or ruggedness. This one, on the other hand, is still extremely thin. You can see how nice, thin, and simple it is, but it is going to add a little bit more drop protection. It does have a harder outside shell along with the TPU case. So this one's not flexible. This one has a hard shell. This one is definitely going to protect your case for under 10 bucks. You know, you might not need to spend $50 just to protect your phone. This one here will do the job. Now you do get a nice bezel around your fingerprint sensor and your camera lenses and flash, as you can see there. And they did make it to where your finger can rest on it. Like it's slanted. Can you see that? It's nice and slanted. Easy to find. So fingerprint sensors, really easy to find. You don't have to worry about not finding it there. You do have your front screen bezels. Nice chunky bezels around the front screen to help with drop protection, and cutouts on the bottom. Everything looks cut out pretty good as expected. Buttons are very clicky. You guys can hear that. Very tactile, very clicky. I'm pushing buttons and doing stuff, but yeah, very clicky, very tactile. And that's it. This is the Tudia Merge. Now I have the Tudia Merge for my 10s Max, and I do love it and I do use it, and it's a great case. For the price, it is a great case. Now before I forget, let's check out wireless charging for the Tudia Merge series case with the hard shell. Let's go ahead and throw it on the charger. And boom, there you have it. So wireless charging does work. Let's move out of the light. Boom. So even though it has a hard shell, wireless charging does work. Now let's go ahead and try out the Arch S series case wireless charging. If the Tudia Merge worked with wireless charging, then obviously this one will, because this is just a TPU style case, really thin case. But let's throw it on the charger. And there you have it. Let's take it off again, throw it on. Boom, wireless charging works on both Tudia cases. There you go. Again, shout out to Tudia for sending these out. Now let me know what you guys think about these cases down below in the comments. Also, let me know which one is your favorite. And if you guys have any case suggestions or cases you want to see me pick up for the Galaxy S9 Plus, make sure you drop that down below as well. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, join the fam. A big shout out to all my true MVPs who already do, who support me on this channel and all my other channels, because I do have more, and I also have social. So if you guys want more of me and want to follow me over there, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. And also if you guys want to pick up these cases, those links are also going to be in the description. So just check out the description when you're done with the video. I would truly appreciate it. I love each and every single one of you guys. Y'all better stay freaking dope, and I will catch you in my next video.